You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. Yes, I know it is confusing, by the way. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you pronounced. Generally, the most common pronunciation in English, even though there is a second one, is supine. Alright, that's British English and American English. Now, in the UK, it can also be pronounced. It's also correct to say it as supine. Alright, but generally it's supine. So remember supine, but if you've heard somebody say supine, it's not incorrect. It's an alternate pronunciation. Supine, or how to pronounce supine. Two correct English pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.